If your audio has background noise, wind, humming, or echo, it can completely ruin an otherwise good video. In this video, I'll show you a fast and clean way to remove noise and echo and make your voice sound clear and professional. First, place your clips into the timeline. Let's listen to this clip.
Surgery.
Yeah, I know. How did it go?
As you can hear, it has outside noise and car noise. Let's fix it. Switch to Audio at the top, go to Window, then select Essential Sound. Now select your clip and in the Essential Sound panel on the right, choose Dialogue. Open the Repair section and turn on Reduce Noise. Now listen to the audio again.
Surgery.
Yeah, I know. How did it go?
I didn't feel anything.
Yeah.
As you can hear, it is much better now. If it's not, slowly move the slider to the right. Don't push it all the way because that can distort your voice. Stop around the middle until the noise is reduced but the voice still sounds natural. If the noise is a constant hum, enable de-hum either by itself or combined with reduce noise. If your clip has wind or low-frequency rumble, select the clip again, choose Dialogue, then enable reduce noise and reduce rumble. These work better for wind and outdoor recordings. For echo or room reverb, select the clip, choose Dialogue, and turn on Reduce Reverb. Use this carefully because strong settings can make your voice sound thin or muffled. After cleaning the audio, scroll down and enable Dynamics to bring clarity back. You can also add effects manually by opening the Effects tab and applying effects like denoiser, de-reverb, or de-hum directly to the clip. Click Edit on an effect to fine-tune it. Choose a light or heavy preset, or manually adjust the sliders. Keep noise reduction subtle and adjust based on how and where the audio was recorded. That's how you remove background noise and echo and make your audio sound clean and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.